Warren Edward Buffett, the man who would become known as the Oracle of Omaha, was born on August 30th, 1930 in the heartland of America, Omaha, Nebraska. This Midwestern city, known for its industrious spirit and close-knit community, would play a significant role in shaping the young Buffett's character and values. Born into a family of modest means, his father, Howard Buffett, was a stockbroker and later a congressman. Howard's career in finance and politics exposed Warren to the intricacies of the financial world and the importance of public service from an early age. 1929, a pivotal event in American history, cast a long shadow over Buffett's early childhood. While he was too young to fully comprehend the complexities of the financial meltdown, its impact on his family was profound. His father's brokerage business suffered, and the family faced financial strain. This early exposure to the volatility of the stock market and the fragility of financial systems sparked a lifelong interest in understanding the dynamics of finance and investment. It also instilled in him a cautious and disciplined approach to money management, principles that would later become hallmarks of his investment philosophy. With investment success, displayed an early aptitude for business. Even as a child, he was fascinated by numbers and the stock market, often spending hours reading financial reports and business news. As a young boy, he was already buying and selling Coca-Cola bottles for profit, showcasing his entrepreneurial spirit. This early venture into business was just the beginning of his journey, as he constantly sought new ways to make money and understand the mechanics of business. Buffett's legacy will continue to inspire and guide us. His unwavering commitment to integrity, his patient and disciplined approach to investing, and his belief in the power of giving back provide a roadmap for creating a more prosperous and equitable world.